Hey guys, good evening. So, for a while lang, share lang natin yung live stream sa trading groups. So guys, for the meantime, no, I'd really appreciate it if you also share yung live stream, yeah, yung live stream ko. So, if you can, please share no, on your Facebook page or sa mga trading groups or Facebook groups na kung meron man kayo, no, na mga group of traders. So yeah, we will start shortly. But for the meantime, let me know where you're from, where you're watching from, and at the same time, kung meron kayong mga chart requests or stock requests, you can leave them now in the comment section. So ayun no, na-share ko na sa mga Facebook groups na Philippine Stock Exchange. So we will start shortly, but for the meantime, kamusta naman po yung sound? Okay ba yung boses ko? Masyado bang malakas yung background music? I think medyo mahina. So for the meantime, let's alam mo yun, enjoy some music. Right? So yun, shout out kay Paul Zedric Gilon watching from Doha, Qatar. Watching from Washington, Park Makati. Puta nila, Eric Beverly, laptop ka talaga. Kala ko Washington State eh. Hello Dwight. Hi Dwight. Mr. Ella Food. So you know, currently we have 33 live viewers. We will start in a while. Pero ayun, for the meantime, lagyan nyo na yung mga stocks na gusto nyo i-check out natin. I'll try to do all your chart requests. Medyo pagod na ako kasi galing po ako sa COINRUNNERS Philippines Studio. COINRUNNERS, yun. COINRUNNERS Philippines Studio. It's located in Makati. So kakatapos ko lang po mag-live stream about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So sa mga mga interested mag-start ng crypto or malaman kung ano yung crypto, pwede i-check yung Facebook page namin, which is COINRUNNERS space PH, and sa YouTube, COINRUNNERS space PH din. Give us a subscribe if you can. We would really appreciate it. No? So yeah, I do live charting sa crypto for COINRUNNERS every MWF. It starts 7 p.m. and ends around 9 to 10 p.m. So yeah, we have a show every day for COINRUNNERS, Monday to Friday, but I'm there every MWF. No, to show people what's happening in the crypto world, what are the trading opportunities. So ayun, list down lang natin yung mga chart requests nyo. So last time nag-live stream ako, and then after ma-post ng video, dinelete ko siya. Marami nagtanong kung nasaan yung video, kung bakit nawawala. I'm sorry I have to take it down kasi I accidentally flashed all my email and password during the live stream. So thank God kahit pa paano hindi pa ako na-hack. No? So yeah, mukhang wala naman nakakuha. Only a split second, mga 1 second, na-flash ko ata yung email ko and all my passwords. So, kung mabilis mata nyo, di sana na-hack nyo na lahat ng crypto ko. Pero, thank you kasi Wala naman nangyari. So yeah, guys, chart request, lagyan nyo yung mga stocks nyo. At the same time, paalam nyo na rin sa amin kung saan kayo nanonood. Philippines, OFW ba kayo? Diba? Meron bang nanonood galing South Korea? I mean, North Korea. Kamusta dyan sa North Korea? ETC. Laguna represent. Yes, Laguna area din ako, guys. Well, medyo gitna ng Laguna and Cavite. Around, I'm very near Binya. So yun, shout out kay Christian Falarcuna, OFW from Saudi Arabia. Lipa, Batangas. So yun, let's start. Alright. So looking at the Philippine Stocks Exchange Index, yeah, nasa overbought na po tayo based on the RSI. And guys, sa mga di nakakala, my RSI setting is at 8. So, kung na-weirdown kayo kung bakit iba yung RSI ko, naka-8 po siya. Okay, so gawin natin gawin natin 14, no? Tingnan natin. Or 8. Yun. So, feel ko mas okay itong 14 for... So, let's draw some, support and resistance, no? So, back then, this is a support and resistance because may resistance acted as support, now acting as a resistance again. Right? Kasi nga, ayun, resistance, support, now resistance. So, will we make it? I don't know. So, let's go to the daily. May divergence na tayo dito. A series of higher high on the price action but lower low on the RSI. Right? Ayun, di ba? Kita na natin. So, medyo, I think we are due for a correction. No, I think medyo bullish naman ako sa sa PSE index, but I think we need to correct first, no, before we can go up again. So, saan yung next support and resistance zone natin? No, maybe around hold on. Let me see. So possible support area is ayun. So yeah, hindi siya actually linya. I think it's somewhere inside this box, no? Somewhere inside this box. So for me, I think PSEI is due for a correction, No, we might go down here, find support, and then break upwards. Right? So, yan yung nakikita ko, but I can be wrong kasi there's no certainty in trading, only probabilities. So, we're playing with probabilities here. Right? So, okay, let's move on. No? Ulitin ko lang why I think we are due for a correction is because we have a bearish divergence, a higher high on the price action, but a lower high on the RSI, and we have reached the overbought of the RSI, and once you reach the overbought, we always go down to the oversold before we go up again to the overbought. So it's a cycle, guys, diba? That's why I'm bearish on the PSE Live. So ayun, may mga bagong pumasok na chart request. Dagdag lang natin. MPI, MB, meron mo MB, ABA, FA, FNI. Guys, susubukan ko tapusin ito lahat pero no promises. Medyo malakas yung music, naalang natin. So yun, let's go back. Our first request is ISM. Well. Bearish. Alam ko na-discuss ko na rin to last week. And last week, what I did is nag-drawing po tayo ng trend line, no? It started from this bottom, connect this bottom, no? Then i-expand lang natin. So ayun nga, since in-expand natin itong trend line support, no? Well, ngayon resistance na siya kasi nag-breakdown. No, sinubukan natin siyang basagin pero wala talaga, guys, eh. And yeah, I've been, alam mo yun, calling ISM bearish for a month now. So subukan lang natin hanapin yung chart, right? So let's look for ISM. ISM, kailan ko ito ginawa? 2018 pa to eh. So, where's 2019? Ayun. Yeah. So, sinabi ko na I'm bearish. And meron din ako ginawa nung November 30 pa. And sabi ko mukhang ganito yung mangyari. Pero going back, I do think I am bearish for ISM. So, saan yung good support zone? No? Well, ito na siguro yung next support natin. Right? I mean, sige, let's go into 4 hours. Baka meron tayong makitang, alam mo yan. Well, yeah, not really. No, ito yung ito yung dating resistance eh. 'Di ba, na nabasag. So, what was once a resistance, pag nabasag, support na po siya. But then again, meron ba akong gap dito na nakikita? I think may gap dito eh. So, it's also possible na mag-act din as a support yan. No? So, for me, ito yung dalawang areas to watch out for ISM. Gawin natin yung green para support. And then, let's do some Fibonacci extension. Yeah. So, for me, around here, yung support zone natin for ISM. I am bearish kasi, ayun nga, nag-breakdown na tayo ng trendline support here and nag-act na rin as a resistance yung yung trend line. But if we break above this, then invalidated na po yung bearish scenario na to. Ito yung bearish scenario ko eh. So this is the support zone I'm looking at. No? If we want to still go up, this is the support zone I'm looking at. No? So, yeah, screenshot natin. No, screenshot natin. Then after this live charting, I'm gonna post everything on my Trader Circle Discord group, which is ito. No, ito yung Trader Circle Discord group. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasali, yeah, bigyan ko kayo ng invite link, no? Paano ba to? So, ayun. Ito po yung link natin. No? So, sa mga gustong sumali ng Trader Circle, just in case meron pang hindi nakasali, I will post it now live sa Facebook page ni Risk Trader. Ayan yung link. So, i-click nyo lang siya. Bubukas yan. And then you click accept invite. So, we have 1,900 members. Almost 1,900. Okay, so going back. After ISM, we have B Corp. So, ayun, target reach. Medyo matagal-tagal. No, but nevertheless, it reached my ABC target. Right. So, kailan ko pa ito ginawa? Hanapin natin si B Corp from my past charts. So, the last time I did B Corp was around December 21. Expect ko mag-uptrend siya ng ABC. No? Pero imbes na mag-correction siya, dumire-diretso siya dito sa C target ko. No? So what's next for B Corp? Let's see. So yun, on the weekly, overbought na po tayo. Well, not really. On the daily, yeah, overbought. So kuha tayo ng Fibonacci, no? Swing low, this low, no? Going up to this high. And daily, walang masyado. Dagdagan natin ng MACD. Yan natin. Pangit ng MACD sa histogram. Ang pangit ng MACD sa... So yeah, medyo bullish ako kay B Corp kasi unang-una, no, kung alam niyo po yung bounce trading or bounce, 618 is the golden ratio. Diyan madalas nagkakaroon ng bounce. And yeah, di man tayo umabot sa 618 pero nag-bounce na tayo. So, ba't dalawa yung MACD? Crap. Sorry guys. Yan. So kay MACD, kay B Corp, mukhang nakahanap naman na siya ng support dito. medyo lumagpas lang siya. Pero kasi ito yung ano eh, support and resistance area niya eh. So let's check the 4 hours. 4 hours. Nalilito pa rin ako kung 8 o ano. So ayun, 4 hours maganda yung RSI niya kasi nagkaroon tayo ng inverse head and shoulder which is a bullish pattern. But at the same time, no, we have reached the overbought. So let's check 40. Well, hindi pa naman. So we still have some space to go. 1 hour, how about 1 hour? So ayun guys, if you plan to enter, well, mukhang nagkakaroon tayo ng bull flag dito ah. No, this is the pole. Right? Ito yung flag. Possible na flag to. So usually after the flag, merong ganyan nangyayari. Diba? So, yeah, tingnan natin. Diba? Kasi consolidation yan eh. So, yeah, let's wait and see for B-Core. No? But if we go below this, red line, edi invalidate na po yan. No? Bearish na tayo. Pero, once we break above this, then, yun, bullish tayo. No? That's what I'm seeing for B-Core. After B-Core, green. Whoa. Yeah, but then, okay. Plot muna tayo ng mga support and resistances. So, the strong support and resistance area na nakikita po is somewhere inside this line. No? Support, resistance here. Resistance na nabasag acted as support. So, on the weekly, medyo overbought. Actually, yeah, overbought na tayo. So, yeah, sorry. Let's go back again to weekly. Ito yung resistance. So guys, currently, kung titignan natin si green, no, we are at a resistant zone. No, resistance here. And again, we are finding resistance here. Then also on the daily, no, meron tayong nakikitang bearish divergence. Bearish divergence is when you have a higher high on the price action but lower high. Diba? So, watch out guys kasi once we do break above this red line, pwede tayo mag-pump. But then again, we also have to consider na there are signs of weaknesses na when it comes to RSI, right? And then again, dito sa MACD natin, meron po tayo nakikitang big to small, no, which is what I call a divergence or a bearish divergence on the MACD. So, yun, I'm waiting for a correction. No, but then again, if we do break above it, maraming papasok diyan ng mga traders. Right? So, saan yung support zone na hinahanap natin? No, so, crap. Investogram, what the fuck? for a while, guys. Kurat. This is not good. So for sure, yung nag-request ng green, most likely, napo-FOMO. Kasi nag-pump siya eh. So yun nga, I'm zooming out to plot support and resistance. Hindi masyado nagko-comply yung internet sa akin ngayon, guys. Instagram, step up. For a while lang guys, ayusin ko lang yung internet connection ko. Anyway, yun. So, ayun nga, for green, no, this is a resistance zone. So malapit na tayo sa resistance, and I think we need to correct before we can go up again. So okay guys, so habang hinihintay na yung chart, FYI lang, never go all in, no? So if you have 100,000 pesos, huwag nyo ipapasok lahat sa isang stock. No, hatiin nyo sa 10 to 20% lang ng capital nyo per stock. Never go all in kasi dyan kayo masusunog. Okay? So anyway, the chart is not complying really well when it comes to the daily. So I'll just screenshot this. Anyway, ayun nga, I'm waiting for a correction for green. Oh. Meron na ba tayong FA? I think, yeah, we have FA. So, medyo nasa dulo siya. But let's go to surpass. Next is surpass. So, ayun, yeah, nag-breakout na tayo. So, this is, hold on, support and resistance. So yun, I think last time, nung nag-analyze tayo, nung nandito po si Surpass, sabi natin, you can go in, then pag lumagpas siya below this, no, cut loss, and then we have reached our target. Lumagpas pa nga siya actually. No? So ito yung resistance zone na nakikita ko for FA. So we still have some space to go, no, before we reach the resistance zone. So the resistance zone, gagawin ko siyang red. Itong resistance kasi guys, nabasag na natin siya dito eh. So what I'm seeing now is we are doing some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 around here. That is my prediction for surpass. Right, so tanggalin natin to. Right, so yeah, yan yung nakikita ko for surpass. 1, 2, tapos na yung 1, 2, 3. No, 3 we haven't exactly reached the pero yeah, somewhere here. So 4 hours. Yeah, we definitely have some more space. After surpass, we have CPG. Century Properties Group. Daming lumipad ah. So ayun, support and resistance. Definitely, we are approaching a resistance zone on the weekly chart. Array Alibuyog, my next schedule for crypto charting is on Wednesday. And sa COINRUNNERS PH ko po siya ginagawa. Live on YouTube. So, Wednesday, 7 p.m. COINRUNNERS PH YouTube channel. Okay? God, ba't di na naman gumagana yung chart ni Instagram? Utang na loob. I'm sorry guys, ang lala lang. Di ko alam kung internet ko or Instagram, but definitely not my connection kasi fiber. No, so, after surpass, CPG, Century Properties Group. So, ayun nga. Is this the daily chart? So guys, resistance here. If we break above this, no, then possible we pump. But currently, yeah, so may resistance. Yeah, we still have some space to go. Kasi this is the immediate resistance, this is the more long-term resistance. So bukas guys, kung nabasag to, just watch out for centuries kasi we are approaching resistance zone. And if we do correct, if and we do, then yeah, around here, yung support zone. So guys, if we do not break above this, then we would definitely go down to support zone. But if we do break above it, then there. That is for centuries probably. Yung PSEI index din kasi medyo bearish na eh. So, alam niyo naman kung sino yung daddy. Si PSEI. LTG. Yes, Michael Agtuka, meron na pong fan. Medyo nasa dulo siya. So, abang-abang. So anyway, for LTG group, this is a resistance zone, support and resistance zone. And kung kukunin natin yung Fibonacci, makikita natin na tumama na po tayo and we have found support at the 618 golden Fibonacci ratio. Right? So, I do think we will go up here. No, kasi nag-find support na tayo eh. At the same time on the daily guys, we have reached the oversold. No? We came from the overbought. Now we have reached the oversold and we have some more space to go. Right? So, if we go below 14.65 pesos, then yan yung cut loss point ko. 14.65 pesos po yung cut loss ko. Okay? After LTG, we have DD. So for DD, okay. So ginawan ko si DD ng chart which is noong January 18. So let's see. No, nung ginawa ko siya noong January 18 of 2019, ginawa ko siya sa 4-hour chart. So tingnan natin kung gaano ka-accurate yung chart natin for Double Dragon or Mr. Mang Inasal. Right, and voila. Voila. Ayun no. Back then, sabi ko, oh, mukhang we are forming a head and shoulder bearish pattern. I think we're due for a correction at around 20 pesos and then we would find support at 20 pesos and go up. So where did we find support? Around 20 pesos, no? It came down and then boom, went up. So if I am to count this, no, it seems like meron na po tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, and then usually after 5, we get the Fibonacci of this low to this low. No. And support zone around anywhere inside this green box. Maybe here. Huwag natin laging i-assume na so ayun, I think we will find support here but tanggalin muna natin to. Then yeah, so support zone is anywhere inside it. So for Double Dragon, support zone is here. If we do correct, our first support line of support is inside this. After DD, we have Igor. Oh. So yeah, guys, downtrend. The trend is not your friend kasi nasa downtrend tayo. But yeah, dati nag-draw yun ng support resistant. Wala eh, binagsakan lang tayo eh. Diba? Binagsakan tayo. So, ayun, tumambay muna tayo saglit sa 618 pero wala, binuhusan. So we are currently at a support area here. So this is our next support here. Will it hold? Tingnan natin. Looks like it won't. So for P-Core, yeah, wag niyong in-knife catch to kasi tatagusan lang kayo nito. After P-Core, you have Tech. So ayun, same pa rin, no? If we go below this, then cut loss. But yeah, let's check weekly. Weekly mukhang bullish naman. Yeah. So ayun, wala, sideways lang po si Tech, pagilid. Nothing much to see. How about 4 hours? Well, meron naman tayong divergence dito. No, lower low on the price action. But higher low on the RSI, which shows na medyo nagkakaroon tayong konting momentum going up in a few days or maybe weeks. But yeah, same pa rin. Nothing has changed for Tech. Primex. So once again, Primex is, alam mo yun, nasa support zone pa rin tayo. I mean, medyo nalagpasan niya, but support pala to dito dati. So, ayun. No. At the same time, guys, on the daily, meron po tayo nakikitang bullish divergence. Lower low on the price action. Lower low on the price action, but slightly higher low on the RSI, right? So, medyo bullish yan. So, extend lang natin siya dito. Well, this is actually the next support zone. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, so... Sorry, again, I have to screenshot. So after Primex reveal, Yep, so for Vistaland, we are approaching a support and resistance zone. Oh, this is a resistance zone. I'm pretty sure meron na po tayong ditong bearish divergence. Higher high on the price action but lower high on the RSI. So I do think we will correct. Where will we find support? Around here. So guys, huwag na po kayo muna pumasok kay Vistaland kasi overbought. At the same time, meron na po tayong bearish divergence na nakikita. So after Vistaland, we will do PLC. Well. Wow. We broke above resistance. Oh, but at the same time, meron na ako nakikitang bearish head and shoulder dito sa RSI. So, it's not really looking good. No? So, either way, mali siguro yung count ko. But, well, no, actually. I think tama yung count ko. Bago lang yung perspective. So, there. And then, resistance zone is around here. But then again, I think we will not get there na. I think we will go down and find support. Somewhere here. So it's time to take profit for Premium Leisure Corp. When I see this, 90% of the time, it's bearish. No, pag nakita ang head and shoulders sa RSI, 90% of the time, 90% of the time. Check na rin natin feed. Yeah. So, PLC. Oh, crap. Masyadong marami. Pero anyway, let's take a screenshot na rin just to be sure. Nakalimutan ko na screenshot ko na ba ito eh. After PLC, MPI. So for MPI, no, oh no. So yeah, the last time I did the chart on MPI, sabi ko bearish. And yeah, we did actually go down. Diba? Kung saan yung arrow ko. No, so nakita niyo before and after. Right? So ayun, same pa rin. We could actually find support here. No, we have found support here. Or we can actually go down to this green box and find support before we go up. But ayun nga, not much has changed kasi nag-sideways lang po tayo. No? Nag-sideways lang. After MPI, MG. So for MG, di ba nakikita nyo meron tayong mahabang wick dito? Nakikita nyo rin ba yung mahabang wick dito at saka dito? Ano nangyari after may makita ko yung mahabang wick? Di ba? Bumabagsak tayo. So, I don't know, man. Ayun, no, overbought. Overbought na rin. So, siguro if we do go down, we find support here, around here. Around this area. MG pala yan. Aba. Sama natin si SDR. SDR. May nag-request si Carl Kabansag, sorry. EEI. So yeah guys, 12 o'clock na. We've been streaming for 54 minutes. So after MG, so for ABA, yeah, medyo bearish na rin to kasi, ayun o, lower highs. Tapos pag kinumpare mo yung price action, higher highs. So yeah guys, subukan ko muna tapusin yung mga chart. Masyado na po kayo maraming chart requests. At the same time, medyo late na rin. So apologies if I can't finish all your chart requests. Yung ibang chart request nyo, tapos na. So maybe just watch the replay, no, of this live stream. So again, I am still bearish for this. So ngayon, well, maybe if we draw a trend line here. For hours, double top, ayun no. Meron tayong high and then lower high. Same here, high and lower high. High and lower high. And ayun no, correction, sideways correction. So, I do think we go down, find support in this area here. Right. Find support in this area here. I would take profit now for ABA kasi yeah, ayun no. Double top, divergences. After ABBA, may fa na ba? Fa, so fa. So fa is extremely overbought. Take your profit. Or basta wag lang kayo pumasok kasi over ano na tayo, overbought na tayo. Same with 4 hour, overbought, right? 1 hour, yeah, still di pa tayo umabot sa oversold. So yan yung nakikita kong posibleng gawin ni Pa. So hinay-hinay lang, wag na muna mag-FOMO kasi tapos na po, late na tayo. After Fa, we have Fen. Pero di pa ba tapos yung Fen? You're welcome, Tong. Tong ata JM. So, for Fen, same, ganun pa rin. So, tingnan natin kung meron na ba akong previous chart for Fen. So, nung Fen, yung 1. Ayun. So, same guys, hindi pa po tayo umaabot dito pero I am still bearish for Fen. So, yeah, bearish pa rin ako. After Fen, we have FNI. Yeah, hindi tumama yung analysis ko. Bumagsak pa tayo lalo. But on a good note, no, if we will look at the weekly, remember tayo may data. Well, on the daily, no, here. See, that's why I'm telling you guys, there's no certainty in trading, only probabilities. Kasi even though I saw an inverse head and shoulder, which is a bullish pattern, we failed to break above, no, this neckline resistance. Since we failed to break above it, we crash further. But on a good note, no, we have a bullish divergence here, right? A higher low on the RSI, but lower low on FNI. So, yeah, huwag muna kayo mag-enter kasi wala, hindi pa naman sure to eh. Laki ng binagsak niya oh. Ito yung support zone natin here. Why are you not moving? So ito yung support zone. So we are currently in a support zone. If you want to go in, sure. Pero once we go lower than 1.38 pesos, medyo bearish na yan. So that's for FNI. SDR. Star Mall. So Star Mall, no, support, right? Support, consolidation, sideways. Yeah, this doesn't look good. 4 hours is what? Sideways, guys. So, guys, we have no definite trend, but on a good note, mukhang meron na po tayo ditong alignment of the stars, right? Nag-crossover na yung mga smaller MAs above. So, sa mga naka-gets, this is a bullish kasi itong 100 MA nasa ilalim while the 50 and this is around 20 MA is above, no? So whenever 50 and 20 MA crosses above 100, medyo bullish na tayo dyan. No, so we might go up, no? Alignment of the stars. So for STR, if we look back, sorry, let's go on the daily. Ayun, no? Nung tumama siya dito, diba, nag-consolidate din siya, which is, we are consolidating now. Then it went up again. Go down, consolidate, taas. So, kung mahaba naman pasyente nyo, why not? Alam mo yun, sa kanyang mga consolidation. Pero, di ba, I mean, ang tagal niya eh. Ang tagal niya mag-consolidate bago siya gumawa ng mga parabolic moves. So, kayo na bahala kung gusto niyo trade to, but mas marami pang stocks na pwede nyong, alam niyo yun, pasukan. Kung nakikita nyo dito, di ba, meron tayong alignment of the stars. Dito rin, nag-cross up na yan eh. Pero ang tagal, gano'ng katagal tong consolidation ni Star Mall bago siya nag-pump? 2 taon, guys. Fuck that shit. No thanks. Bye-bye. PEI. So for EEI, same. Sabi ko, resistance here, go down, sideways, support area, most likely, hopefully we go up. So wala pa rin guys, sideways lang to. But maybe in a few days, we do pump. Diba? EI, MY. Ayun nga. I think ginawa ko rin to ng chart dati, si M1. And look guys, this is on the daily. Pause. Little bit off before and after for you guys. Diba? Sabi ko, oh, we're gonna go down. And we did. No? So, yeah. So for M-wide, ayun nga, medyo bullish pa rin naman kasi ayun no, tumaas na yung nasa baba na po yung 100 tapos nasa taas na po yung ano 20 and 50. Well, not totally pero ayun no, really wants to go up. But I think before we go up, we will have a correction first here before we go up. No, so that's just my hula analysis for M-wide. After M-wide, Bitcoin. So, sige, huwag natin sama Bitcoin. Tapos na ba yung PX? Sige, singit na natin si PX para kay Julius on top. So, for PX, I do think now we still have some current resistance na to eh. Check ko yung 4 hours. Yep, no. I already see 5 waves up. Right. And usually after 5 waves, we would retrace. Swing low to swing high. From this low, right? From this low. Taas mo dito. A good support area is, I think, around here. No. After PX, you're welcome, Julius on top. AP, meron natang PXP, Jetro Roque. I think we did PXP. Well, wala pa. So, okay. PXP. I think meron na eh. Yeah, nagawa ko na siya kanina. So, Jetro, you just have to rewatch this live after, no? Para, ano, may U ba sa ano? Tugs daw. O, East-West, sabi ni Shoji Yursua. Well, bearish na rin ako guys kasi number 1, well, let's start with the daily. Ayun, daily, no? Meron na po tayong double top and top, di ba? At the same time, may resistance zone dito for hours ay hindi natin mabasag, no? So, what we can do is we can draw some trend lines. Diba? And you can see guys, resistance, resistance, resistance. Support, support, support. So, maybe we go down to find support around in this area. And yung nakita ko for East-West Bank, maybe it's time to take your profit. After East-West Bank, JFC, sige, JFC for lane gut crash out. JFC. Jollibee. Ooh, so the last time I did JFC, no, I said correction down, which we did. We did. No. Subukan ko lang hanapin yung old chart ko to compare the present chart. So, the last time I did JFC kailan? 2019, January 18. So, this is 1 hour time frame. So, ayun, sabi ko, resistance. Diba? Hindi natin nabasag, which we did, we correct. Ayun, umabot tayo dito sa kung nasan yung arrow ko. And nagsa-sideways ulit tayo. So guys, better watch out kasi possible, no? Well, no, nabasag na yung trend line support niya dito eh. Pero wait. Yan. So gawin natin ganyan. Possible din kasi na ascending triangle to guys. So once we do break above this resistance, no? This red line resistance, go time niyan for the bulls. Right? But until then, until we break this red trend line resistance, then wala pa po tayong confirmation of uptrend. So this is just a possibility. Okay. That's for JFC. Let's do 8 tugs. Okay, guys, pagod na ako. Tama na. So for tugs, same. No? Some before and after. I did this on the 1 day. Then sabi ko, we will go down to find support here. And we did. No, we have found support. 4 hours. Almost down 4 hours. So 4 hours, we have finally reached the oversold. And I think it's a good time to enter tugs. No, if you want to go, you want to buy tugs. I already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. So yeah, maybe it's go time. So after this, so ayun guys, I think that's it. Sorry sa mga hindi ko na nagawa ng chart request, pero Sir Eric Dulay, tapos na po si Fen. PHR hindi ko po nagawa. So rewatch na lang po yung video. No, pasensya na sa mga hindi ko nagawan. Kasi pagod na rin ako guys, and I'm sure pagod na rin kayo. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Risk Trader signing out. Don't forget to cut your losses and do not forget to take your profit. Good night and see you maybe this weekend as we do a end of the week charting para prepare kayo for next Monday. No, so good night guys.